Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning English by News. Today we will learn about a strange internet video that is very popular with children. We will use simple words and short sentences. This story is about Skibidi Toilet. It sounds funny, but many people are talking about it. Let's start our story now. Skibidi Toilet is a video series on YouTube. It shows heads coming out of toilets. These heads sing a strange song and fight with people. The videos have no speaking. They only have music and action. Each video is very short, usually less than 1 minute long. A person named Dafuk Boom makes these videos. He started making them in 2023. Now millions of children watch them every day around the world. The name comes from a song. Skibidi is a word from an old song. Young people liked the sound and started using it everywhere online. Children think Skibidi Toilet is very funny. The videos are silly and strange. Kids enjoy watching heads pop out of toilets and make funny faces. The videos are short and fast. This matches how children use the internet today. They can watch many videos quickly without getting bored at all. There is also a story. The toilet heads fight against camera heads. Children follow this battle and want to see what happens next in each video. Kids share these videos with their friends. When everyone is watching something, children want to watch it too. This makes Skibidi Toilet even more popular. Many parents don't understand Skibidi Toilet. They think the videos are too strange. Some parents worry the videos might give children bad dreams at night. The videos show fighting and violence. Heads are shooting at each other. Parents don't want young children to see this kind of content every day. Parents also worry because children watch too much. Some kids watch Skibidi Toilet for hours. They talk about it all the time and think about nothing else. Teachers say children are copying the videos. Kids make toilet sounds in class. They draw Skibidi Toilet characters instead of doing their homework properly. The Russian government is also paying attention. They think Skibidi Toilet might be bad for children. Some Russian officials want to study the videos carefully. Russia is worried about what children watch. They want to protect young people from strange internet content. They think some videos can change how children think. However, many people think this worry is too much. The videos are just silly entertainment. They don't have any bad messages hidden inside them at all. Some people say governments should not control entertainment. Parents should decide what their children can watch. Each family can make their own rules about it. Stephen Colbert is a famous American TV host. He is over 30 years old. He talked about Skibidi Toilet on his TV show recently. Colbert made jokes about the videos. He said most adults don't understand them. But he tried to explain Skibidi Toilet to older people watching his show. This was surprising because usually adults ignore internet trends. When Colbert talked about it, More people learned about Skibidi Toilet. Even grandparents started asking their grandchildren about it. Colbert showed that Skibidi Toilet is now very big. It's not just something kids watch secretly. It has become part of popular culture that everyone notices now. Most people over 30 don't understand Skibidi Toilet. They ask why children like watching heads in toilets. The humor doesn't make sense to them at all. Adults grew up with different entertainment. They watched cartoons with stories and lessons. Skibidi Toilet has no clear message or teaching moment. Young people and old people like different things. What is funny to a child might be strange to an adult. This has always been true throughout history. The internet makes this gap bigger. Children find content that adults never see. Each generation has its own special shows and jokes that others don't understand. Skibidi Toilet shows how the internet is changing. Anyone can make videos and become popular. You don't need a TV company or lots of money anymore. Children have more power to choose entertainment. They pick what they like, not what adults choose. Parents have less control over what children watch every day. Strange and silly content can become huge. Being weird is not a problem. Sometimes being different makes something more popular with young people who want something new. This will keep happening. More strange internet shows will come. Adults will keep feeling confused, and children will keep finding new things to love and share. Today we learned about Skibidi Toilet. It is a strange YouTube series. Children love it, but adults are confused. Parents and governments worry about it. But Stephen Colbert tried to understand it. This shows how internet culture is changing the world. Thank you for listening to Learning English by News. Remember, every generation has something special. Try to understand it even if it seems strange. See you next time. Keep practicing your English every day.